What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Scooby fam. Today we finally got the third brake light in for Scooby, so let's jump into this video. We had Ghosty's help on this one, so yeah, it was super easy install. I'll drop the link in the description for where you can buy this thing, and yeah, let's show you how to install it.
You already know me, kid.
All right.
That's it.
Yeah, my old one, guys, was also T-tap, just like Rob's old one. Definitely probably an older school brake light for sure. That's probably how they used to do it. But now everything's just plug and play.
Oh wait, we could realistically just pop it out. Oh yeah. I think. Oh, sorry.
Kick
The
me
brackets
again.
will stay, but this part can.
Yeah, perfect.
Yay!
Alright guys, so fast forward a few days, it ended up coming out looking so freaking good, man. I absolutely love it. But yeah, guys, the install was super easy. If you're debating it, just send it. Super easy, nothing hard. Yeah, it looks so much better. It does have, the triple blinking figure, which super clean. I absolutely love it. I did go ahead and obviously, add the carbon fiber trunk trim piece, which such a nice touch from Subaru, man. That's why I did take off the stabilizers. I just thought it flowed better now with the brake light and the trunk piece. you know, she's finally coming together. Like I said, we do have some suspension coming in and some more parts coming for this baby. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel. And remember, if you're liking all the content and you're liking all, you know, all the videos, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.